I do apologise about that. I'll correct that now for you. So hello there, Sim0nTrains here, or some people like to call me Sim0nTrains. Now I'm at Rugeley Town railway station and not at Rugeley Town station. That's just our ongoing YouTube subtitle gag. But the reason I'm at Rugeley Town railway station is because I'm actually commuting to work. I'm an essential key worker and work in retail. But this commute today is going to be much different to the other three that I've done previously, which I'll explain more when I'm at Rugeley Trent Valley railway station. For now, we're just catching the 0726 West Midlands Railway service, which will be a class 350-0 to Rugeley Trent Valley. So welcome to a different kind of a lockdown commuter.
The next train to arrive at platform 2 will be the 0726 West Midlands Railway service to Rugeley Trent Valley.
So I'm now at Rugeley Trent Valley railway station. Now, I said that this commute is going to be a whole lot different. I'll explain this now. Because at the moment, the Crewe to London Euston services which stop at Rugeley Trent Valley railway station have been temporarily withdrawn. They're not running them. Now the problem is because there's a landslip at Hill Morton Junction, which is just south of Rugby. And they're sending everything through Northampton, Avanti West Coast, freight trains, London North Western Railway services, so the Northampton loop is a bit congested with trains that are running at the moment, and they had to withdraw the Crewe Euston service just to ease the congestion. Now, the thing is, there is a replacement bus service that is running between Rugby and Stafford. So my replacement bus is at 8:03, which will take me to Stafford, going to Stafford for 08:28. So that's why I'm doing this commute today differently. It is a shame really, but they were supposed to get it done by the 5th of February and should be reopened on the 6th of February. That is not the case anymore because now they're going to delay it. So it's going to be finished on the 14th of February and reopened on the 15th of February. This is why I can't do the live streams at the moment as well, because it's just a bit of a pain really. But the only trains that are running out of Rugeley Trent Valley at the moment are your Bergen New Street or Bergen International services for West Midlands Railway. But what I have noticed is on Saturdays they are only running an hourly service from Rugeley Trent Valley railway station. They're withdrawing the other paths planned, so it's only hourly service at Rugeley Trent Valley railway station. Now all we're going to get at Rugeley Trent Valley railway station between 7:30 and 8:03 was an Avanti West Coast movement, which I just saw, 2 freight trains, and that 350 departing before my replacement bus, which will take me to Stafford. So behind me is Rugeley Trent Valley railway station. I'm in the car park of Rugeley Trent Valley because this is where you got to wait for the replacement bus. It doesn't matter if you get the bus to Walsall, Cambridge Parkway, Birmingham, Rugby or Stafford. The replacement bus is always at the car park at Rugeley Trent Valley railway station. So we are waiting for this bus to Stafford to come up this ramp just up here to pick me up to take me to Stafford. So I'm now just leaving Rugeley Trent Valley on this replacement bus. Now, the funny thing is these replacement buses do actually have head codes. So this is OB00, the 0803, which will take me to Stafford. So let's just sit back and enjoy this bus ride journey, even though it's a coach. I hate replacement buses, to be honest, but so that was a nice pleasant ride on the replacement bus. And we're at Stafford railway station now. Well, we're actually in the car park at Stafford railway station. And again, this is a local tip. So please do not drive from Barnard Castle to get here. But if you want to fill trains at Stafford railway station during the lockdown, this car park is the best place to do it, not on the railway station. Even though it is station property, but I think they don't mind you filming on the car park, filming trains. Like we just filmed that Gloucester to Cliff Road cement train that just went past, which was 66752. So we're just going to see one or two trains at the car park here, and then I'm going to make way to work. When the River Sal bursts its banks, sometimes underneath this bridge here can be flooded and you just can't get past, unfortunately, so I'm going to have to try and go back a different way to get to work. So as I mentioned, the River Sal has burst its banks. I have found a way, to be honest. I just had to go across the road instead of going under the subway, because that's what that basically is. It's just a subway to go underneath the road. So I'm actually outside where I work now at Asda. Now I'm going to end this now. I'll see you for the evening commute this evening, but with this evening commute it's not actually the train at 16:55, it's actually a replacement bus at 16:20 to Rugeley Trent Valley. So I'll see you for that this evening. For some strange reason my camera is always grubby at this point, so I'm just going to clean it. And you're back, but unfortunately though it is raining indeed. Now I'm outside Stafford railway station. The 16:25 replacement bus that I mentioned earlier is just here. This goes to Rugby, but this should take me to Rugeley Trent Valley. So I'm going to hop on board the bus now, or the replacement coach, and head to Rugeley Trent Valley by road transport. It's time for the evening commute. So right behind me is 350-102. This is the 1720 to Birmingham International. I'll be jumping on that in a second. I'll explain that later on because there's something that's interested me just down the bottom here. Just where Rugeley North Junction is roughly. Well, just before Rugeley North Junction. Because there's an engineer's siding just there. And there is something interesting there indeed because there is some lorries parked up there. And they're unloading something, but I'm not sure what they're unloading, to be honest. But it's very interesting to see indeed. Now back to this train. As I mentioned, this is the 1720 to Birmingham International. I'll be jumping on this shortly after I get a few movements through Rugeley Trent Valley. Going 1 mile 25 chains down the line to Rugeley Town railway station, which is where I'm going to end my journey. So let's see some movements through Rugeley Trent Valley railway station and then jump on this to head down the line. So we're just pulling out of Rugeley Trent Valley railway station now. This is the 1720 to Birmingham International. Now our commute today, I'll talk about it quickly because we only got like 3 minutes on this train to be honest. So I caught the 726 off Rugeley Town to Rugeley Trent Valley. Once I got to Rugeley Trent Valley railway station, had about a good 30 odd minutes at Rugeley Trent Valley because I get in about 7:30. And usually my train was at 8:09, but unfortunately the replacement bus was at 8:03. So I had to catch a replacement bus to Stafford instead. Now luckily, I got to Stafford about 4 minutes early because I did say I was supposed to get in at 08:28, but I got in at 08:24, which gave me enough time to get the Gloucester to Clitheroe cement train worked by GBRF's Class 66 diesel locomotive. I then went to work and then on the way back, went to the railway station, caught the railway replacement bus service, back to Rugeley Trent Valley and now on this train to Rugeley Town. And that's basically the blog. That's basically the commute to be honest. Now I'm not sure if I'm going to do another lockdown commute next week because, like I said earlier in the blog, the railway replacement buses are running till the 15th of February. So I'm not too sure if I'm going to be doing another one or not. I might do one next week, I might not. So I think it's about time almost to end it, but we're not ending it quite yet because we've still got the departure at Rugeley Town railway station. So feel free to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you want to. Feel free to give this a thumbs up. Feel free to comment. And if you want to be a YouTube membership, there's a join button at the bottom, which will take you to a teaser video. And if you'd like to be a Patreon for Sim0nTrains as well, it is in the description below. I have been Sim0nTrains, or some people might call me Sim0nTrains or Cybertrains, whatever. And we are arriving at Rugeley Town station now, so we're going to film this train leaving to end this vlog. Thank you for watching.
Oh, that's good. Oh, that's good.